At the age of 18, he married and had a wife who is 8 years older than him and pregnant. 6 months after their marriage, they had their first child, Susan, who born May of 1583. 2 years later they had 2 twins, Judith and Hamlet. Around 1591, Shakespeare moved to London. He wrote 154 sonnets, talked about love, friendship, fleeting time, and lost love. Now we will hear the sonnets that are among the accomplished and fascinating poems in the English language.
If I should think of love, I think of you. If I should think of love, I think of you. Your arms uplifted, tying your hair in plaits above. The lighter shape of your arms and shoulders, the soft curve of your winding head. No melody is sweeter, nor could earth is. So had we reached, I think of this, and all my universe become perfection. But were you in my arms, dear love, the happiness will take my breath away. No thought could match that ecstasy, no song encompass it, no other words. If I should think of love, I think of you.
To be or not to be, that is the question, by William Shakespeare. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether this novel in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep, no more. And by sleep to say we end the heartache and 1,000 natural shocks, that flesh is here too, 'tis a consummation devoutly to be wished. To die, to sleep. To sleep perchance a dream, there's the rub. For in that sleep of death, that dreams may come, when we have shuffled of this mortal coil, must give us pause, there's a respect, that makes calamity of so long life. For who would bear the whims and scorns of time, the oppressor's wrong, the proud man's contumely, the pangs of desperate love, the law's delay, the insolence of office and sport, that patient merit of downward takes, when he himself might his quietest make, with a bare bodkin? Who would farthings bear to grant and sweat under a weary life, but that the dread of something after death, the undiscovered country from whose bourne no traveler returns, puzzles the will, and makes us rather bear those ills we have than fly to others that we not know of? This conscious thought make a covers of us all, and thus the native hue of resolution is sick-light, or with a pale cast of though, and enterprise for great bit and moment, with disregard the occurrence, turn over